If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on a Realme 14T, then first of all we need to open Settings. Over here choose Wallpapers and Style, and then we can go to Wallpapers in order to choose Album over here at the top. And then you should be able to open the album, the gallery on your phone, and then you can select the photo that you wish to use as the wallpaper. Press this check in the top right corner. You can also zoom in and zoom out in some cases, or change the position of the photo, and then we can press apply to. You can choose to apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna select for both. And there we go. In some cases we can also use the depth over here. You can also find the wallpaper scrolling effect if it is possible to apply. So let's enable it actually, and then we can press apply over here in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye!